That that is the big question. That is the big question. In fact, the speculation is that once we've actually produced AI that can design other AIs, that is the last invention that we humans are going to make. That's one of the kind of speculations about the future. And for sure, that's, I think, something that is a risk in many ways. We've produced something that is working way better than we ever imagined, way better. And there are emergent qualities. It's showing itself to be better at certain things than we ever thought. I mean, to the point it's been teaching itself how to write code. And I always thought, if things get tough in architecture because AI takes over, we could all become computer scientists. But the computer scientists are worried because AI is writing code, and there will be some jobs kind of supervising these things. But effectively, AI will be able to do that for sure. It's become incredibly clear that that is the case. It's developing emergent properties and emergent abilities that we never predicted, and it's just astonishing how good it is. Astonishing. And that maybe perhaps I could just add something. When I first started working on AI, I was working on a general book for Bloomsbury, and I became a little bit disturbed because I realized that AI was both amazing but also absolutely terrifying. Not because it was evil, but because it was so good at what it was doing. So I persuaded Bloomsbury to split this book up into two different books, one with a white cover, The Angel, about how amazing AI would be, and one with a dark cover, about the dark side of AI, with black cover, about the dark side of AI. And they accepted that, and that's worked out quite well. The only thing is that I've been planning to push the second book back a few years so I could write some more positive things about AI. But now it's becoming clear that this thing is literally like a wildfire on the horizon, and we need to pay attention to it. So increasingly, I'm incorporating a kind of warning signs, I should say, into my lectures, into my articles and so on, because there is that other side of AI. It is going to be so astonishingly capable. It's going to show us up, and we need to pay attention to it. In fact, whenever I'm invited to talk to the AIA or the RIBA or indeed practices and so on, the main message that I have to give them is what we need to design right now is not another building, but the future of the profession, because things are changing so rapidly. If we just stick our heads in the sand, we'll become ostriches. Or indeed, to use another animal metaphor, we will die out like the dinosaurs. We need to really be alert to these changes and be able to use them and incorporate them in what we do. If we don't pay attention, we will become obsolete, that's for sure.